money shit, little bit cold. Baby booming in that bitch, though. See the ground shake, though. See it shake up, though. Baby booming in that bitch, though. Yeah, that baby booming bitch shit. The woman that this shit. Don't give a fuck. I'm a really nigga in that bitch. Hey, shout out to the bass guy. Shout out to the black guy. I was fucking A-Rod. I was fucking blood God, blood God, blood God. I'm Jesus Christ, I'm blood God. I'm King God, Lord God, King God, L.A.K. though. Lord of Lords and the King's King. That was me, bitch. That was me, Trey. I ain't lacking, bitch. I'm steady packing, bitch. I ain't lacking, bitch. Ready for that action, bitch. I get the climbing, bitch. It's L.A.K. though. It's L.A.K. though. I let it spray though. You lamer than a bitch, you lamer than a bitch though. Ain't got that 666 flow. 2 sixes in the creative pre. Create the money, yeah, I'm rich, my G. Look it up, though, look it up. 663, look it up. Angel numbers, bro. Look it up, creative powers and color love. Hey, hey, I'm prospering, bro. Got that money, though, prospering. Might go to jail, my friend. Pray the Glock and bend the block with the Glock. Don't give a fuck, niggas. Yeah, create a 40 Glock. Let that shit pop. Yeah, I got the power too. They booming in my dick when I fuck a boo. When I fuck a bitch, I don't give a shit. You nigga lame shit. I'm a real nigga, bitch. On that nigga know who Glock 40 though. Who Glock 40 though. Who Glock 40 though. Glock 40, who Glock. Why they still talking about me in these songs? No, I'm on the track. I'm on the track. Double 6 with 3. Create the money. I'm rich, my G. I'm blazing up. I'm raised up. The best music ever touched the face of earth, bro. They are the best though. I shake the rest though. You nigga the rest though. I'm Larry Yondo. I'm Larry Yondo. I'm Larry Yondo. I'm Larry Yondo. You nigga lame though. I got that robo flow. I got that robo though. I Hey, though. Got A on the beat, though. So, I was just chilling at the store, though. Just chilling at the store, oh. Niggas pulled up in that Jeep. I don't give a fuck, nigga, you know it's me. They acting like they want me to hit the feet. So they can talk to some lanes, some bitches, some bad bitches, those so-called bad bitches. But they ain't getting no bad bitches. They all on my Instagram looking at my pictures. They eyeing me out on the Instagram, nigga. On that Facebook too. In that motherfucking Snapchat, dude. All on the internet is young, hey, dude. I'm famous, though. I'm famous, though. I'm the young nigga they talking about, though. For real, though, I'm Jesus Christ, though. For real, though, I got the pipe, y'all. You try to blow, then I'ma let it off. I'ma let it hit all, y'all. Don't give a fuck, this is what it is. You try me, I'ma spit your wig. Don't give a fuck, I'ma smoke my seed. Man, look better than you, kid. Don't give a fuck, I'm better than you, though. You ain't got no bass in your gun, so what you wanna blow it for? You ain't got no bass in your gun, ain't no drilling, ain't none of that. It's straight killing. It's straight killing. I never talk. God ain't never let me talk. Put a nigga in the chalk. Fuck nigga, where you walk? Fuck nigga, it is what it is. Yeah, that bass bumping though. Bass bumping, yeah, I got the bass bumping though. You hear the, always hear him about Larry dead, but ain't dead. Nigga, I hit him with the infrared. Create this shit and hit him up though. And to me, even if I ain't got it on me, bro, create it on the scene and then it ain't clean at your fucking hat and knock off your beam.
Shit, I don't do no talking.